great dancer there, Patrick. You got nice rhythm with the dolphin.
Why don't we go over here?
Yeah, now since we're in the shot of trainers, folks, we've asked Patrick's help to give our dolphin friend a very special hand signal to show off a brand new behavior. Now the hand signal, folks, is pretty simple. Ang gagawin lang po ni Patrick is to put his hands onto his knees, and then on the count of 3, raise those hands up in the air. Okay? Ready, Patrick? Hands up on 3. 1, 2, 3. There goes the hand signal, folks. There goes our dolphins. Now let's wait for that big surprise. Alright, now that's a big surprise. A mouthful of water. Great there. I think you train the dolphins to rinse on you, okay ba? Yeah. Alright, tanongin natin yung dolphin friends natin, okay? Kaylin, Don? Did you do that on purpose? Sinadya niyo ba yun? No, hindi naman pala sinadya. Well, do you think that was funny? Oh, well, I bet these dolphins, just kidding. And they deserve another fish for that. Okay? Patrick, why did you grab another fish from Kuya Jay's couch? Hold the fish, and then shoot mo dito sa dolphin, and sit on. Very good. Okay, this time, Patrick, may tatanong ako sa'yo, ha? Ayan, so finally, you met 2 of our bonus dolphins here at Ocean Adventure. Can you please tell our audience for the last time? Are they really friendly? Our bonus dolphins here? Yes, alright. And we noticed that you fed them some fish. Now, Patrick, how does your hand smell? Anong amoy ng kamay mo ngayon?
It smells fish.
It smells fish. Now, do you have any idea how to get rid of that fishy smell? No idea? Well, you don't have to worry because trainers, you folks, got this special technique that trainers all around the world do to get rid of that fish smell. All you need to do is follow me, alright? Now put your fish hand up like this and do what I do. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Just wipe it on your shirt, folks, and believe me, it always works. Now, ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause for my man Patrick?